the millions of years, plants and animals have evolved the special adaptations that suit them to live in a certain type of a climate and to follow the particular ways of life. We tend to group them together as the living communities called the ecosystem. All the things that live in a natural ecosystem depend on each other for food, for shelter, and other part of their lives. There are two main parts of an ecosystem: the living and the non-living. The non-living part is the physical environment, the climate, the water supply, the type of the soil and the air. All these things influence the being that can live in a particular place as they provide the plants and the animal with the essence needed: water, minerals, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and the living space. Climate is very important too. It affects the length of the growing season, the amount of the moisture available, and the weather or not there are frost and the drought that the living things must be able to survive. The living part is all the plants and the animal that live together in an area forming the web of a life. Some are the herbivorous, which eat grasses or other plants. Rabbits are the good example. Others are the carnivorous, the meat eater, living either as predators who live on what themselves kill and eat, or the scavengers who survive by consuming what the predators leave behind. There is also another vital group of the living things that might be described as the nature's the dustmen, the decomposers. A fallen leaf, for example, became food for the most of the earthworms, wood lice, fungi, bacteria, and other that cause it to decay and to return the vital minerals and the nutrients of which it is made of a soil. A hectare of soil may contain as much of the 10 tons of these organisms.